Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute friends on the Brawl Stars application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. New, just go to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here click to the first button, the settings, and here just go to the social settings icon under the haptic feedback, and here you can find the mute friends option. You can mute for 60 minutes or 25 or 30 days. Just select the option and click to the confirm button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.